kulusu.
Maybe I could be a Lucy, Philadelphia, Philadelphia,
Anyway, Minister voice now, boy, na or Cassese, Ghana, a boy home or the intimation Colombia. Possibility a bit madru final, I was through. And I, yes, sir. Yeah, sometimes, baby, Adrian, any bread pan, they call against Colombia game, Yeah, mommy and share senior, ye deal on common soccer, cranema emotions, and so. Yeah, avoid the emotions.
Minister to me,
because over Kyei against Croatia, or Kyei bebo Philadelphia, or call also for Philadelphia.
Kulusi. Maybe I could be a Lucy, Philadelphia,
any Kulusi.
There's any Philadelphia, any Chakabia.
And yeah, young comedian,
Adams, yes, come on.
Ghana's first match will be played in Canada, in Toronto.
Panama fona boy no.
And we are going to face Panama on this match.
Yaba second one, born no Boston. England, and bo.
So the next one, we are going to face England.
Now, third one, group stage, winning baby ball. Born no Philadelphia,
And our third match will be played in the US of A, in Philadelphia.
Menye osofo ena menye odifo na so menim say nyankopon ahihye yanya be pie hei Philadelphia kro a eka bebia ye bo match.
Yes,
Philadelphia Nyame obeji ye team no ama yakọ yenim.
Amen. Although I am not a pastor and neither am I a prophet, but then coming here, which is known as Philadelphia, and we playing our match in Philadelphia in the US of A, I believe that God will cause us to win.
Maybe I could be a Lucy, Philadelphia, Philadelphia,